Stop calculating salary manually in Excel, because today I'm going to show you a smart system where you just enter basic salary and everything including HRA, allowance, PF, bonus, and final salary calculates automatically. And the best part is if you change even one number, the entire sheet updates instantly. So let's build this step by step. First, create a simple table with columns like employee name, basic salary, HRA, allowance, PF deduction, and net salary. Then enter some sample employee data. Now we start automation by calculating HRA where you type equals. Select the basic salary cell and multiply it by 20% and press enter. Then drag it down for all employees. Next, for allowance, type equals. Select the basic salary and multiply by 10% and drag it down. Then for PF deduction, type equals. Select the basic salary and multiply by 12% and drag it down. Now for the main part, which is net salary, type equals. Select basic salary plus HRA plus allowance minus PF and press enter and drag it down. Now you can see everything is calculated automatically. Now let's make this sheet look professional by selecting the net salary column and going to conditional formatting. Choose highlight cells rules and select greater than and enter a value like 40,000. And now Excel will automatically highlight employees earning above that amount, which makes your sheet easy to analyze. Now try this yourself by changing any basic salary value and notice how the entire sheet updates instantly, which shows the real power of Excel automation. Now let's make this more practical by adding a bonus column, because in real companies, employees often get bonus. So create a new column called bonus and type equals. Select basic salary and multiply by 5% and drag it down. Then update your net salary formula by adding bonus into the calculation. So now your sheet becomes more realistic and useful. Now think about real-life usage. If you're a small business owner, you can use this. Every month, if you're a student, you're learning a real-world skill. And if you work in HR or accounts, this can save hours of manual work. And this is just the beginning, because you can also connect this with attendance to calculate salary based on working days or even create automatic salary slips. So if you want that advanced version, let me know. And now you have a fully automatic salary system in Excel, which saves time, reduces errors, and looks professional. So try this yourself and start using Excel smarter, not harder.